Soft, mysterious music begins. David Attenborough-style narration. In the depths of the African savanna, a low rumble echoes through the earth. To our ears, it's barely perceptible. But to elephants, it's a crystal-clear message, traveling for miles through the ground beneath their feet. This is just one example of the hidden language of animals. A world of secret communication that has been right under our noses all along. Visual, sound wave visualization of elephant rumbles. Welcome to a journey into the extraordinary realm of animal intelligence and communication. Prepare to have your understanding of the natural world turned upside down as we uncover the astonishing abilities that lie beyond human comprehension. Visual montage of diverse animal species. Our planet is home to a vast network of secret communication systems, far more sophisticated than we ever imagined. Let's start with those rumbling elephants. These gentle giants have developed a unique way of staying in touch across vast distances. By producing low-frequency sounds, they create vibrations that travel through the ground for miles. It's like a subterranean telephone network, allowing herds to coordinate movements and warn each other of danger. Visual, animation of vibrations, traveling through ground. But the elephants aren't alone in their long-distance conversations. Beneath the waves of our vast oceans, whales are engaged in their own sonic symphony. These majestic creatures sing haunting songs that can travel for hundreds, even thousands of miles. Each species has its own unique melodies, and individuals can recognize the voices of their pod members across entire ocean basins. Sound, whale song recording. Even the silent world of plants has its own communication network. When trees are attacked by insects, they release chemical signals into the air. These airborne messages warn neighboring trees of the impending threat, allowing them to boost their own defenses. It's a remarkable example of cooperation in the plant kingdom, one that challenges our very definition of intelligence. Visual time-lapse of trees releasing chemical signals. Speaking of intelligence, prepare to be amazed by the cognitive abilities of some of our animal neighbors. Crows, often dismissed as simple scavengers, are actually among the most intelligent creatures on Earth. These feathered geniuses have been observed using tools to solve complex, multi-step puzzles that would challenge even human children. Visual, crows solving puzzle box in one fascinating experiment. Crows were presented with a piece of food floating in a narrow tube. The water level was too low for them to reach it with their beaks. Without hesitation, the crows began dropping small stones into the tube, raising the water level until they could reach their prize. This demonstrates not only tool use, but an understanding of cause and effect that was once thought to be uniquely human. Visual, animation of crow experiment. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about the great escape artists of the ocean. Octopuses. These eight-armed wonders have been known to squeeze through impossibly small gaps, unscrew jarlets, and even escape from supposedly secure aquarium tanks. Their problem-solving abilities are so advanced that some researchers argue they possess a form of consciousness. Visual octopus, escaping from tank. In one particularly clever escape, an octopus at a New Zealand aquarium was caught on camera sneaking out of its tank at night, crawling across the floor to a drain pipe, and sliding down into the ocean. The staff were baffled until they reviewed the security footage. Visual security camera footage of octopus escape. Dolphins, 2. Display remarkable intelligence. These playful marine mammals have a complex social structure and use a wide range of vocalizations to communicate. But perhaps most astonishingly, they appear to have individual names for each other. Researchers have observed dolphins responding to specific whistles that seem to function as unique identifiers. Essentially, their names in dolphin language. Sound, dolphin whistle. But intelligence isn't just about problem-solving and communication. Many animals display emotional depth that rivals our own. Elephants, for instance, have been observed engaging in complex mourning rituals for their dead. They'll gather around a deceased herd member, gently touching the body with their trunks, and even returning to the site years later to pay their respects. Visual, elephants mourning. Wolves, known for their fierce loyalty to their packs, display a level of cooperation and emotional bonding that goes far beyond simple survival instincts. They care for injured pack members, share food, and even adopt orphan pups. This complex social structure is a testament to their emotional intelligence. Visual, wolf pack interacting. Even more surprising is the growing evidence of empathy and fairness in primates. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives, have been observed consoling each other after conflicts, sharing food equitably, and even displaying a sense of justice. In one famous experiment, chimps refused to participate in tasks where they received unequal rewards. Compared to their partners, a clear demonstration of a sense of fairness. Visuac, chimpanzees, sharing food. As we delve deeper into the hidden world of animal intelligence and communication, we're forced to confront some challenging questions. How do we define intelligence? What separates human consciousness from animal awareness? And perhaps most importantly, how should this knowledge change the way we interact with the natural world? Visual montage of various animals displaying intelligent behaviors. The more we learn about the hidden language of animals, the more we realize how much we still have to discover. From the rumbling conversations of elephants, to the problem-solving prowess of crows, from the emotional lives of wolves, to the fairness displayed by chimps, the animal kingdom is filled with wonders that challenge our understanding of intelligence and consciousness. Visual. Return to African savanna scene. As we stand here on the African savanna, listening to the distant rumbles of elephants, we reminded that we share this planet with beings far more complex and intelligent than we ever imagined. Perhaps it's time we started listening more closely to the hidden language of animals. Who knows what secrets they might reveal? Music swells and fades,